So for these guys up here, we were looking at it on a graph, and this time now we're looking at it on a table, so hopefully we're able to go back and forth in between the given information. This one here says, I'm just going to highlight this middle one here, so these are our G's. G of 5, so these are our X's. G of 5 is 7, and 1/7 of 7 is 1. Now, we've got to go in to out, so we've got to start here first. H of 2 is 3, and I then want G of 3, so G of 3 is 5, and then F of 5 is 6. Did I do that right? Hold on, let me make sure. H of 2 is 3, and G of 3 is 5, and F of 5, oops, I didn't look at that correctly. F of 5 is 11. Oh, how I got 6. Maybe I went back to H. Alright, glad I did that one again. Sorry about that. Alright, G of 2. G of 2 is 3. F of 1 is 3. And G of 3 is 5. So those cancel. Now, this is not 5. This is 1 over 5. So be very careful that you're not just making that equal to 5. It's definitely a fraction. I have something smaller on top and something bigger on the bottom. Alright, for this one here, what I would do is I would just divide both sides by 2. So that you're trying to figure out h of x is equal to 3. That would be my guess. Or you just are figuring out 2 times 3 in that case there. So h of what is 3? Here's 3. So the of what must have been a 2. So if I plug in h of 2, I should get 3. And our last one here, I need g of something to be 7. So g of 5 is 7. And so g of 5 is 7. So I need to make sure that f of x is 5. So f of x is 5 would be 2. So let's just check that out. F of 2 is 5. And then g of 5 is 7. Yay!